Welcome to another video. Today we're fitting solar panels, but first there's some other jobs we've got to do. There's a big old hole on the roof, so we've got to seal that one up and then put a bit more Sikaflex around the roof vents that we put on, because I'm just not 100% happy with them. But yeah, then we've got 260 watts of solar panels to go on the roof. We're making progress. Let's get into it. This is the first issue. That is not great, and it's just held on with I don't know what, and then I'll show you on the top what else. So I think just yank that off. Yeah, just shitty Sikaflex, I think, old and crusty. And now we've got some sort of horribleness. So what I'm going to do is pull this off, clean it up a bit. There we go. Oh wow, nice. There we go. And then use one of the bits of metal that we cut out for this rear vent here to then put over it, rivet and seal it on. And that should be good because it'll match the moulding of the roof, so the ups and the downy bits. So yeah, and that's going to go on the outside and we'll be rocking. Here we are on the roof. Got a hole. Got a piece of metal that we cut out from the previous cutting of holes for roof vents. So now, pop that on there. Be fine like that, won't it? No. So, drill holes, rivets and Sikaflex. Yay. So let's lift this plate out. Pop this in here. Make sure that these are well and truly covered. And then we just do a big old bead all around here. And then we just put a bead around. Okay, so we're here on the inside, and that is splooged over nicely. That is a good sign. So I'm going to get some big wipes and just wipe over that and clear it, basically. Yeah. That is a good job done. We are now weatherproof again. So yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing with mounting these solar panels. So, called in some help who also has no idea what he's doing in mounting solar panels. We've got an Andy, founder of Bud's Beanies. Yeah. Sporting one of those bad boys. Hit up Bud's Beanies on Folksy, maybe? I think that's right. Yeah, Folksy. And yeah, you can hit yourself a nice beanie that's not a North Face one, it's a Bud's beanie. Probably way warmer. I'm gonna go with that. So we've got to mount some solar panels, 2 on the roof in a kind of L-shaped thingamajig, and we will get to it. It's gonna be a ball ache on some sketchy ladders against the van and see what happens. Let's crack on. So the mounting corners on the panels. Next job, lift them up to an Andy. And then we stick them and bolt them to the roof and wire them and all of that good stuff. this is where I'm working out how to do all the wiring to wire the two panels together and then get these two extension solar leads down through the hole that we've previously cut in the roof. So we feed the cables through the provided gland from Callidus.shop, and then we feed those cables once through the gland through to the inside, and then Andy on the inside of the van comes through and he labels them on the inside so I know which one's the positive and which one's the negative. And then we use the CT1 flexible glue and mount that to the roof, and then we put some weight on it so it doesn't move, and you can see a bit of rain on the camera. Fantastic. And here we have the second panel up on the roof. We've put the glue on it on the floor and then just lifted it up, and now Andy's going to take hold of that panel while I plug in all the cables so we have the solar array. And then once the cables are plugged, we can then lay it down on the roof and drill it into place. Say drill it, self-tapping screws. We're on the roof of the van. We got solar panels. Well happy. They are actually plugged in as well, just to wires. So we have a solar array, which, yeah, by definition is more than one panel connected. So yeah, next steps. Probably going to put more bolts in because it's got CT1, but then just one screw self-tapper. I don't trust that, so I'm going to drill some more holes and put actual nuts and bolts in, just to make it better. And thank you to Buzz Beanie's creator. Oh yeah. Yeah. Rock and roll. Solar. Done.